morning from Mildura, Australia, and this is my home away from home for the next 8 weeks. This will be my apartment for the next for the duration of my contract here. I'm gonna take you for a room tour, so let's go. I'm gonna show you outside the apartment. So there's lots of apartments there. This is my wee space outside, my neighbors, and let's go inside. So I've already opened the main door. This is just the screen. It's all right. I put my slippers there. So this is already my lounge here, which is nice. So we have TV there, smart TV, so I can connect to Chromecast, couch, and this is my breakfast table. It also acts as my table, and of course I've already put my speakers there. And hello, that's me. Okay, so this is the kitchen. It's just a wee small kitchen, but I have everything that I need. Rubbish bin, all right, the cutleries, stuff that I need, and that's mine. Every time I go anywhere, I always bring handy wipes to disinfect the area. And what's in here? Oh, just washing stuff. Next up, here are my pots and pans. That's nice, isn't it? My wee stove top and oven, and also there's an exhaust there. Of course, a microwave. And oh, look at that. This is nice. So it's for 4 people, technically. So my plates and cups and glasses. Right, and this here is my pantry. I've already got some stuff to boil water, so I already bought some stuff, but yeah, I always bring a container with me just in case that the accommodation do not have a container. So yeah, it's pretty handy. Of course, planning to make spaghetti and the essential chips, and when I'm on my contract or any contract, I just eat once a day when I'm at work, so I don't have to think about cooking. So this is what I eat or drink at work. I don't really eat at work. There you go. Now going to the fridge. It's nice that they have a ice maker. I've placed the ice already. It's nice and tight. And of course my fridge, I don't have a lot just because I've just moved here. So I found this mango, and it's unripe. It's still raw. Okay. Basta hilaw. And then of course water, milk, Yakult, probiotics. Let's go over that side. Okay, what did I put here? Just some abobot, some grocery bag. So yeah, that's it. Self-explanatory. What's in here? Yeah. So I'm planning to put stuff here that's related to work, so it's easy to find. My bag for work. What's this? All the other stuff, tourniquet. Yeah, anything I need for work. And then now let's head to the bedroom. All right, so this is my bedroom. It's nice. I don't know where that door leads to, so let's just keep that locked. I've already placed my stuff here. My laptop, Bible. What's in here? This drawer's broken. My sunglasses, charger, little things. My power bank. Thanks to friends who gifted that. This is just more storage. And fun fact, I always bring my non-existent pillow, just because these big pillows here always give me a sore neck, so I always just bring my own pillow. And of course my blanket, sometimes I just sleep on top of the bed, or just because it's too hot here. Yeah. And it's nice that this apartment have a full body mirror for my OOTD check. All right, let's go to the bathroom. The bathroom is quite neat, it's simple. So of course, all the amenities, all the freebies. This is so nice, look at this. So it has a shower cap, sanitary bag, sewing kit. This is what I really like, the sewing kit, the vanity kit. But yeah, my perfume, my hair products, and skincare. And so clever. So that's my toothbrush there. And what I have in the drawer, try to keep my space tidy. My makeup bag, what is this? Put that in the rubbish. Makeup bag, lots of face masks, my hair things, blings, and all that stays in there. And because I don't have a lot of space in the dresser, I just put my pajamas and my underwears there. Okay, of course. And this is a big mirror. It's nice. Okay, and here, what do I have here? Of course, sanitary products, my curler, and the IPL. That's it. Nothing there. Okay, and I always bring this nice laundry bag from Kmart. Yeah, this is my laundry bag. Just keeps everything organized and tidy. My laundry bag there. Yeah, that's it. This is my shower. It's huge. It fits like 3 people. That's it. Let's go back here. Turn this light off. Okay, let's go here first. So it's nice that I also have a wee couch there. Probably will not sit on. And this is my washing machine and dryer, which is nice. Why is this wet? Oh no, it's not wet. It looks wet. So I have brush to hang my clothes, but I don't know where to put them anyway. Can't hang them outside. And this is my toilet. It's pretty simple. And let's shut the door. Shut the door. And this is my wardrobe. So this is all my stuff, my suitcase, which is empty now, my clothes. I try to keep it neat and organized, so that's it. Close that. Of course, my Dior bucket hat has its own place. And here I just placed because there's no cupboards there, so I just placed all my tops and my bottoms in here. I don't have a lot, yeah, because I know I will be working. So yeah, that's all of my clothes. I didn't bring a lot of clothes just because I think I will be working, or I expect myself to be working. And it's hot in here in Australia, so I just brought lightweight stuff, so it doesn't take a lot of space. And yeah, this is my apartment. And the nice thing about staying in these apartments is that my room gets serviced at least once a week. They change my sheets. Thank you very much for doing that for me. It's a nice place here. And we also have other what you call that, things here, what you call that, amenities, they have other amenities here, which is the gym and the pool area, which I will show you guys next time. And yeah, this is my apartment. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. See ya. I just realized that I have two TVs. One here and one in the room area. There's so many options.